Si Ate Jocelyn. So, how was your school, Ate?
Okay na, sir.
How about sa inyong balay?
Okay, teacher.
Kira? Imong mama, work na. Every Saturday ra gyapon. So, wala jud siya permanent work. Only the laundry.
Sure.
Then, ikaw, mo help ka sa imong grandmother. Which is the grandmother of Anna also.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so, for now, Ichanganim gives you 2,000 pesos. And it is still the same process, okay?
Yes, teacher.
Ibutang sa imuhang ledger, which is Jocelyn's funds, and you're only allowed to use your money sa imuhang school fees, okay?
Yes, teacher.
From your transportation, for your projects, school supplies, okay?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so here is your 2,000 pesos, and we will be recording it to the ledger, okay?
Yes, teacher.
That is from Ichanganim.
Ichangoni, annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida.
So, you just ask teacher, okay, if you need something, ha? Bye-bye, kamsahamnida. Annyeonghaseyo.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, so, kumusta?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so, you already had your ledger?
Yeah.
Nagsuwat, imuha notes raman, no? So, you will be having your personal ledger also. Same with Ate Jocelyn, okay? So, I will be sending you OneDrive link so that you can edit. And then, isend na po nimo balik na ko. If ever, you have something to pay or use your money, ha? So, Ichanganim gives you 2,000 pesos. And that is for your personal funds.
Ichangoni, annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida.
Okay, so, ikaw rin mo manage na ati, but still, imuha gyapon i-list ha, the date, nya, kinsa sponsor ni hatag, and then, your expenses, or na-consume ni mo nga money. Then, isuwat dito ati ha, kung for example, pliti ba ni mo, or your snacks, or school fees, okay? Sabot ra? So, I will be explaining you later on, ha? Sa Excel. Okay. That is from Ichanganim.
Ichangoni, kamsahamnida. Thank you so
Kamsahamnida.
much. Bye.
Hey, Ate Bea.
Annyeonghaseyo.
So, you're still classmate with Ate Damia, right? And also Ate Junlin. So, how about your video? Katong nangaon mo, you're having your lunch? Paniod to ninyo? And then, ato sa inyong balay. So, nag-get together mo ni Ate Damia. Movie marathon. Okay, so, every lunch, you will go to your house? Sometimes. Okay. And how about the rice of Ate Damia? Ikay mo hatag. Magbalon siya. How about yung sudan? Napoy siya sudan. But if makulangan ang rice sa Ate Damia, muhatag ka. So, Kim Young-sunim tells you or gives you message that thank you for feeding Damia. Salamat kuno sa pagpakaon ni Damia. Kaya nga naman, you welcome Damia at your house. Okay? Oh, it's like you are best friends already. Best friend mo? Okay, so, in that way, Kim Young-sunim is grateful to you and to your family for welcoming Ate Damia at your house. So, he gives you 25 kilos of rice. So, if ever Ate Damia visits at your house again, so you will be feeding Ate Damia. Tagani mo siya rice, ate, ha? Okay, and that is from Kim Young-sunim.
Kim Young-sunim, annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida.
Okay, so, kisa may mukha na mo, kuya. Ay, dali lang ka. So, this is the older brother of Ate Bea. Okay, palihog ko, kuya. Madaga na mo, kuya? Sige natin. Bye-bye!
Kamsahamnida.
Sige dong. Sige, bye-bye, ate. Annyeonghaseyo.
Annyeonghaseyo.
So, how are you? Kumusta ba mo, ate?
Okay ra.
Okay ra? Mana na siya, nakabuhat na siya sa iyang assignment. So, you will now master the multiplication, ha?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. How about you, ate? Nanay, kumusta man ka, nay?
Lagi hapon.
So, padong na mo matulog?
Yes, teacher.
Oh, so, more ni maghapin na mo ko ano? Cartoon. So, since we just finished our class. So I am here to deliver to you, Nay, the 3,000 pesos. And this was given by, ay, okay na lingkod. Nalingkod na lang. So, gihatag na siya ni Ichangonim.
Ichangonim, annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida.
So, para konsumo na ninyo na ha. Palit ba ninyo bugas, sudan. And also, hatag ni mo balo ni Ana sa school. Okay, so, that is from Ichangonim. Ayaw kalimti ha. Okay. So, if na may pamalito nati, pwede sa mo take video. Okay? But, it's up to you, Rati ha. Depende ka na ni mo na kung unsa mong paliton. Okay? Sige, bye-bye na.
Bye-bye, kamsahamnida.
So, tulog ra mo. Anak ka mo matulog? Kamu ba duha? Kagin sa man electricity na Ilaharhit. Nikuan mo, connect. Pabayaran na mo. Dili ka?
Pinanggam ko na.
Ka ng anak ni mo, Tino? So, you're cousin with Ate Harriet, right?
Yes, teacher.
But every night rin na or morning sa tagagabi rin na pasigaw natin.
Dapan niya.
Nya, how about ceiling fan? Wala ka?
Wala lang ko taong palit.
Huli mo kayo mo diri.
Yes, teacher.
Oo, singon.
Tayo ko.
Pero okay ka sila, ate. Nga mo connect mo og.
Di, mapalit lang kong solar.
Bitaw no, solar na lang
Ngit-ngit ka ay.
para dili ka sa kuryente ba. Sige, may noon may. Hinay-hinay lang good. Sige, ate. Good night, ate Ana. Bye-bye. Sa'yo, ate. So, kumusta?
Okay ra.
Dili pa okay mong tingog, ate.
Hindi pa siya.
Pero naayo nakasayla natin. So, I've heard that you have a fever for almost 3 days. No? But now, okay na. But dili gid ingon nga totally.
Hindi pa.
Maila jud sa imong voice. So,
bupod.
mo nang nara jud ka diri sa balay. But kana sa mo completely mo balhin natin sa inyohan.
Karong Domingo.
This Sunday. So, kanir pa inyohang kuan. Anyo. Loko limuot. Dili ra ni siya mukuan ti. Kanang like alimutan, magsigilak.
Dili ra gawa sa sandawan. Okay, init
jud
din.
Pero
ceiling fan
every night ka na yan ceiling fan.
Alawan among gamiton gyapon pero kadali ra po sa kong gabi.
Kay solar no.
Kay solar mo siya.
Gabi na paganda gamiton alawat sa.
So kung inyo pandawan ni ka morning, ni ka gabi.
Limit lang para makagamit pang ni ka kuan.
Nga ikaw kuya, kumusta man? Nag-work ka gyapon no? Unsa ba imong work kuya? Kagon. Delivery na kagon. Driver ra gyapon kay delivery man yan no. Laban lang ha. Okay ra. Ano man siya na. And then for your CR ginahinayan man. It's because kuya has his work also.
Domingo ra ko makante.
Maka-work sa CR.
May yang di off.
Ko sa trabaho na kay sayang mapanolog lain mahal kita ako lang.
Malagi. Kaya another na po labor.
Lain sa bayad.
Sige, okay na hinahinayan. Basta matukod na yun na po. So, tonight, sorry kayo because it's already evening since we also have our class at the end. I asked Ate Maxine if you are awake in the morning and then she said you're not feeling well. So, I didn't bother to nang agi na lang ati ba kay basing galain siya nimong lawas niya. May na lang nakapahuway, you have rest, no? So, I will be giving you tonight the 3,000 pesos and that is from Ichangonim.
Ichangonim. Kamsahamnida.
Bigyan na ni Ichangonim ati. So, ay, hilak, oy!
Nashock.
Nashock. So,
Kamsahamnida, Ichangonim.
that is why I've always told you nga, remember always the sponsor, no? Okay. We don't know mobalik ba na sila or dili. Okay? So, it's not that nagsaligtan nila, but we are very much grateful sa ilang help. Okay? So, even if mawala sila or naa sila, mubalik or nana, we don't know in the future. We rest assured na ato jud silang i-remember always. Okay? So, pangkonsumo na ninyo ati, also pangbalon sa imong mga anak na Ate Maxine, bugas, sudan, and palitin na lang po nagtambal ni mo, te. Ha? Okay.
Good sa ha. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye, kuya. Bye-bye, little one. Good night. Ginhawag lang. Ano mong Ate Maxine? It's okay. Okay, ha? Ayaw ka ba? Don't be pressured. You're still young, ha? Ang inyuha lang, have fun while also learning. Okay? Ayaw pressure yourself because the more you pressure yourself, the more mo nga makulbaan. Kasabot? Ha? Okay, so I will be asking you question regarding with your assignments so that I can assess na kamo dyo'y nag-write sa inyong assignment. Okay? So, unsa to instruction ni teacher? Inikasuwat
Basa.
Ibasa. Isulti ang answer so that ma-retain sa auto. Kasabot?
Yes, teacher.
Gibuhat wala.
Gibuhat.
So, ready na. Okay, so imuha ati is 10 ka buok, no? Okay, so you count ati, please.
1, 2, 3.
Yan ati. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so, complete. Puy-puy sa kamot. Imo Ate Maxine? 30 ati, no? So, by 2 ni mo ang bond paper para ma-save. So, 30 na gid ni. Kadaghan. So, mga na ni, by 2 niya so that makasave og bond paper. So, ready na i-test ni teacher? Iba naman lagi panglabay Ate Maxine.
Kalma lang.
Kalma lang. Okay, don't be nervous. Okay? So, ibutan ni Diri. Aribi. Okay, here. So, 30 and 10. So, I will be expecting 40, okay? Sige. Nata ni Ate Ana. Okay, para mong ginhawa pa sa Ate Maxine. 8 times 4.
32.
3 times 6.
18.
7 times 4.
28.
8 times 7.
56.
9 times 6.
54.
4 times 3.
12.
3 times 8.
24.
7 times 7.
49.
4 times 6.
24.
2 times 7.
14.
Okay, very good. Ay, nagkakulma. Okay, another si Ate Maxine. Okay, so 2 times 2.
4.
7 times 3.
21.
8 times 6.
38.
9 times 7.
63.
6 times 3.
18.
7 times 8.
56.
3 times 5.
15.
5 times 4.
20.
7 times 4.
28.
9 times 3.
27.
8 times 6.
38.
4 times 8.
32.
4 times 3.
12.
Okay, clap your hands. Mana. Okay, so don't be so relaxed. Okay? It's because it is not just teacher who will retest you. Also, Teacher Vivian and Sir Vicky. So, anytime, anywhere, if makasugat mo ni Sir Vicky or ni Teacher Vivian, there is a possibility nga pateson gihapon mo. Okay?
Yes,
But, let us congratulate yourselves. Okay? Nakapasa na mo. And you also did your assignments, which is very good. Kidaghan ko ayun mo. So, makapahuway na dyan na sa kamot. Okay, so, master the multiplication every day, ate ha. Kasabot. Fighting!
Fighting.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Kamsahamnida.
So, I will be keeping this one ha. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Uli na. Okay na ka, Maxine? Ala ka, uli na.
Nya. Dili na siya sakto kay 180 981 man, so naka mo siya remainder, i-plus mo siya 5. Nya. Ano siya? 6 times 5. Ha? Ay!
Tarawa, operation ngayon mo gigamit.
6 plus 5 bilang. 11. So, ano siya, I carry of 1, and then 1. Yeah, kani siya, magbutang ng tag 0, magbutang ko 0 kay maglibog man ko. Then, ikaw man kay, imo siya i-plus. Kaya naman siya ikuan. Na siya carry 1 niya. So, 8 na siya, niya kani 9. So, mani ang answer.
Okay. Very good.
So, nigawas ang iyahang 981.